Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to turn these jeans into this beautiful classy maxi skirt with a slit. So keep watching. Starting out, grab yourself a seam ripper. We're going to go ahead and seam rip the inside of the jeans here, as well as about half of that crotch area. So take your seam ripper starting at the bottom and just go up. Since this is denim, some of the stitches are a bit stronger than normal, but just take your time, go through. That crotch area is a little bit stronger as well, so that may take some time. Now flip it over to the back. We're gonna seam rip the back seams. Now I decided to just stop right at the end of the pockets using that as a guide. I didn't want to go too far up. Then you want to flip your jeans inside out. Starting out with the back crotch piece, those two are going to be facing. You want to draw a line starting from one of the seams already on the jeans. That way it ensures that the seams are nice, neat, and lay flat. I'm just drawing a long line all the way to the bottom of the pants. Now we're going to go ahead and pin both sides. That way it lays nice and flat when we bring it to the sewing machine. We're not going to cut anything off yet, but just continue to pin down so you can bring it to the machine. We're just going to go ahead and sew a straight stitch along the same line that we originally drew. Continue sewing until you get to the bottom, and then this is how it should look. We're going to take out the pins. At this point, you want to try on this skirt to see how it would fit before you cut off that excess. This is how it looks from the back, pretty good. That scrunch part is where the butt would be, so it'll fit perfectly nice. Now flip it to the front of the jean, and we're going to go ahead and grab the crotch piece, bringing it over on top of the other side of the pant. Make sure it lays nice and flat. We're going to go ahead and pin that along the middle seam that you see here. Again, make sure everything is laying nice and flat, otherwise it may be scrunched up when you finish sewing. And you also want to account for the slit if you do have a slit. If not, you'll sew and pin all the way to the bottom. So here's where my slit will stop. And now I'm just making sure everything is laying nice and flat, and you want to just sew a straight stitch in the line of that indentation. So my sister already tried on the skirt and everything was fitting, so I decided to go ahead and cut off that excess fabric. And then you want to just continue to cut it off. And oh my gosh, this is the final result. Like, this is such a nice skirt. I think it looks so great, super classy, just absolutely stunning. And I'm super happy with the results and how it turned out. Definitely let me know if this tutorial was helpful, and let me know how you guys like this skirt. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe.